Engine compression refers to the pressure created in the cylinders when the engine is running. This pressure plays a key role in determining the engine's power and efficiency. If compression is low, the engine may experience performance problems that need to be addressed right away. The video explains the main causes of low engine compression, describes the symptoms, and provides solutions to fix the issue. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this. Leaking valves or valve seats. The cylinder has intake and exhaust valves that are essential for the engine's operation. The intake valve brings in fuel and air for combustion, while the exhaust valve allows gases from the process to exit. If the valves overheat, holes may develop, causing leaks and lowering engine compression. Additionally, over time, valve seats can wear down, allowing gases to escape and leading to compression issues. Worn or damaged piston rings. When a car engine overheats, it can damage the piston rings by warping or weakening them. This damage allows gases to escape through the seal, leading to low engine compression. Piston rings can last as long as the engine with proper care. Worn or damaged pistons. Pistons, usually made from aluminum alloy, are designed to handle the intense conditions of engine combustion. However, overheating can warp the pistons, compromising their function. In extreme cases, parts of the piston can get so hot that holes form. These holes allow gases to escape, leading to low engine compression and potential performance problems. Wrong camshaft timing. Low compression across all cylinders is often due to a faulty or incorrectly installed timing chain or belt, which affects the camshaft's timing. The chain or belt transfers power from the crankshaft to the camshaft, allowing the valves to open and close at the right moments for gas flow in and out of the engine. If the timing is off, the valves may not function properly, leading to low compression. In more severe cases, the valves could collide with the pistons, causing them to bend and eliminating compression entirely. Faulty hydraulic lifters. Hydraulic lifters are cylindrical parts placed between the camshaft and valves. Unlike older solid lifters that needed manual adjustment, hydraulic lifters adjust themselves, relying on oil to control their movement. Over time, as the engine accumulates miles, the lifters may wear out and fail to maintain the correct oil pressure. This causes them to compress when the camshaft opens, preventing the valves from opening properly. As a result, the engine may experience low or no compression, affecting performance significantly. Cracked or damaged cylinder walls. As pistons move constantly within the cylinders, the walls must remain in excellent condition for the rings to seal properly. Unfortunately, debris can enter the engine and damage these walls. Over time, as the engine ages, the cylinder walls may also crack or break. Both situations can result in low engine compression. Worn or damaged head gasket. At the top of the engine, the cylinder head gasket plays a crucial role in sealing the connection between the head and the cylinder. When the engine overheats, this gasket can fail, creating a hole that leads to low compression. This condition can also result in the mixing of oil and coolant, which further impacts engine performance and requires immediate attention to prevent serious damage. Washed cylinder walls by a rich fuel mixture. Cylinder walls rely on oil, distributed by the crankshaft during its rotation, to stay lubricated. If a failed sensor causes the car to run rich, the excess gasoline can wash away the oil from the walls. Without proper lubrication, the cylinder walls may lose compression, though this is not a common issue. How to fix low engine compression. Fixing low engine compression doesn't always require professional expertise, but you'll need special tools and a basic understanding of engine mechanics. Start by inspecting the timing chain or belt if all cylinders have low compression. Check for damage and replace it if necessary. Verifying the camshaft timing might require advanced techniques, so consider seeking professional help if needed. For low compression in one cylinder, try adding oil to it and retest. If pressure improves, the issue might involve a misfire or poorly sealing piston rings, both of which need repair. Check for blow-by carefully removing the oil cap while the engine runs. If you feel excessive pressure or see smoke, compression may be leaking through the pistons into the crankcase. This could require repairs to cracks or piston rings. A leak-down test can help locate where compression is escaping. Replace the spark plug with a pressure gauge, ensure the valves are closed, and listen for leaks from the crankcase ventilation or intake exhaust valves. If these steps seem too complex, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Professionals have the tools and experience to diagnose and repair compression issues more quickly and efficiently.